Hello, my name is Chris Palmer, and in today's video, I want to share with you a simple trick, a tactic, a hack to get more traffic to your website fast and easy. Now, in this video, I will cover a method, a walkthrough on how you can not only get more traffic to your website, but niche-related topical traffic that could turn into leads. So I want to share with you two search operators and how you can use these search operators in order to get traffic from Quora. Now, Quora is an excellent platform because you can answer questions that are very niche specific to your brand, your service, or your company. So that's what we're going to do. I want to show you these two strings here, and we're going to start with this one first. So it's site : Quora.com, and then you have your keyword. Regardless of your brand or service or your company, you can use any keyword here in order to get a particular answer that has only one upvoter but has thousands of views, or you could do one answer with one upvoter and 500 views. Now, why would this be effective for gaining traffic to your website? If we have an answer that only has one upvote, but it has 1,000 views, that means there's a lot of people looking for the answer to this question, and this gives you an opportunity to leave a better answer so you can start reaping the traffic and leads from this particular Quora post. So let me go ahead and show you how this works. So what we will do is we're going to use the keyword, how about website traffic? All right, we'll just put that here. We will copy this here, and what we're searching for is on Quora, there's only one answer with one upvoter, but it has 1,000 views. So let me show you how this works. We're going to copy this. We will head right over to Google, and then we will put the search operator with the string inside of Google, and we're going to look for queries that only have one answer, one upvoter, but 1,000+ views. How to get more total and unique number of views per page in Google. Now we'll go to that Quora, and as we can see here, there is only one upvote, 1.7K views. Now, if you can write and create a better answer to this question, you will be able to reap the benefit of all that traffic going to your website. It can convert to leads. And so I'm sure you can see and notice the opportunity that this could present to your website. So that's going to be it. I'm going to head over here. It's just a quick tip on how to get traffic to your website. I'll share with you these two strings so you too can answer some questions that have only one answer, only one upvoter, but a lot of views. So a lot of people looking for it, but low amounts of answers gives you an opportunity. So my name is Chris Palmer. If you have any questions on how to get traffic to your website, SEO questions, off-page SEO questions, really anything digital marketing or how to get traffic to your website, please leave it in the comments below, and I look forward to seeing you in the next How to Get Traffic to Your Website video. Have a wonderful day.